How the hell did we get a bird in our house?
How do we get it out?
What, did you have the door open or something today?
Get it out! Call 911! Call 911!
They're not. It's a bird.
Call 911!
It's not a bat.
Call animal control! Oh no! Are you taking a picture?
Nobody flies across and listen to
Mom! Oh my gosh.
Where did he go?
I don't know. Turn on the light.
Oh, there he is. He's up top there.
Where? Where?
He's up the top of the one horse. You see it?
Yeah. It's perched.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Oh. Oh no. I use you.
What? No, you got it.
Get out!
Okay, let me send this down.
Did you take a video?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, I found the stone! It's gonna poop! Maddie, no! Maddie, don't kill it!
Stop it. She's not. She's
Oh,
not.
okay.
Freaking doors, Meg.
Oh, okay, I thought she was gonna kill it. Yeah, do you wanna go in your room, Megan?
The job of helping thousands
Where is it? Right there.
lives.
Oh no. Oh, do you have bird feed, Mom?
Oh, what?
Bird feed? Oh yeah, like that.
Oh, yeah, like that. Then we're going to lure them out.
Like that.
Let's see. Let me just send this to your dad. Message.
So how did it get in? Tweet tweet!
Somehow we need to direct him out. What, instead of him flying back and forth.
Yeah, Mom, we're gonna direct a bird out of our house. Here. Mom. What did I do with it? Hurt it out? Ole! Ole! I mean that. Oh my god, this is so scary. Where is it? I found the bird! Ah! I scream your heads off.
Okay, so what we need to do is, when I divert him back this way, you guys have to get him out.
What's that gonna help? Oh no, now he's stuck.
He's going to come flying back. I think that's what it's
Oh yeah, Mom. This is gonna help.
He's got to stop. We gotta stop flying back and forth.
Move a net.
Oh yeah, right. We don't have a net. That was helpful. Great. All right, here it comes, Nate.
Is he out?
No. No. Go the other way. No.
He's gonna poop! He's gonna poop on our stuff! Jeez.
It's not that.
No! This is too good! This is rich! This is the start of my photojournalism career. Oh my god. Just another day at the Noga house.
Yeah, watch him come back here. Oh, you just. Where did you notice him?
He just was.
Oh, now he's right there. He's not out yet.
How? Oh my god.